in the same house and he's really calling me on FaceTime? I know he's not serious. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, don't let it be your last. Go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe. So guys, I just got done filming a clean with me video and it was the most tedious thing I've ever done, and I'm truly exhausted, and I'm actually finished. Well, I'm not fully finished, but I did the major parts of cleaning. Now I'm just chefing it up because today's Sunday, and thank God I wasn't gonna cook no rice and peas or nothing like that. I'm actually trying something new. I'm gonna cook pepper steak. This is all the ingredients. I got flank steak, 2 of them, my bell peppers, and all the other ingredients that I need. Right now I'm just watching a couple YouTube videos to see how it's actually cooked. I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed and hope everything come out perfect. I actually tried French toast for the first time yesterday, so by this time you guys should already seen that video. If not, I'll definitely leave it somewhere above on the screen or in my description box. So this is what I have going on right now. I'm cutting up my bell peppers like she said, and I already seasoned my steak, but I didn't do it how she did it. I just do it how I normally season anything that I'm making. So the only thing left for me to do right now is the onion. Yeah, I'm done cooking and this food is looking mad good. So I want to do this more often, cook new things, get out my comfort zone, you know, and stop cooking oxtail, curry goat, and all that stuff. So the next task, I think the next thing that I'm gonna try is scallops, because I freaking love scallops. Like, y'all don't understand. We in the same house and he's really calling me on FaceTime? I know he's not serious. Yes, Tremaine. Is that good? You say it slaps?
That shit's bad good.
Thank you.
Misha's gonna like this.
She is? All right.
Don't forget these.
Okay, so baby daddy approved my steak. So let me finish eating this, because I actually have to finish recording my clean with me video, because now that I cook, I'm gonna have the kitchen to clean, so that's gonna be a part of that video. We'll see y'all babies maybe later or tomorrow. So y'all, I decided to wash Madison hair today because it's super nice outside, so that's perfect. And look at her put everything in her mouth. Madison, look at this. Sis is ready to walk. Let me hear, Mama.
I could really use a nap.
Come on, Bartleby. The king's gonna be here any minute.
Fine.
How's it coming with the sip? Sure is taking you a long time to put out 3 juice balls.
Well, it takes me just so.
All done?
Hold on.
What's all this?
Good morning, y'all. So, I just got done showering Madison, and I wash her hair, and I think I'm gonna take her out for a walk today. Like, it's super nice outside, like I said before. Damn, I didn't even bring my phone. So let me go ahead and make her a bottle. All right, come mama, we gonna watch a movie. So sis got her beauty rest and she's ready to eat. Look at her drop the thing on the floor. All right, just hold on a second. This girl just wants you to move as soon as she say move. You throw it on the floor while you crying. There you go. So I'm preparing her lunch, and I cooked chicken foot soup 2 days ago. And in the soup, she have chocha, yam, carrot, pumpkin, some noodles, chicken noodles from the cock soup, and chicken foot. But I have to debone the chicken foot because, as you can see, the little bone's still in there. Come on, sit up. Okay. Do y'all see her? You bad. Why you being bad? Now you rolling your eyes? Say hi, Clark. Why are you looking at them like that? Y'all, look what this little girl did. Sis is soaked. Look at her. Soaked AF. Now she crying. Hey y'all, so it's currently 1:18 in the afternoon, and your good sis is just rolling out of bed because she decided that last night she want to go out. So if you guys didn't know, most places in New York closes like 10, 11 o'clock, and the hookah lounge that I went to closed at 11 o'clock. But my friends and I, we found a low-key spot. That bitch was jumping. Okay, that shit was lit. And I also wore the Gucci foundation for the first time last night. And baby, that foundation is giving skin. Okay, it's giving natural. Like, I freaking love that foundation. Yes, this is the aftermath of last night. Everything is all over the place. Got shit open. And this is a foundation I'm telling y'all about. It's $6-8, but it do what it's supposed to do. And also yesterday I went to Target. I forgot to bring my camera. But I'm gonna show you guys just a few things that I picked up. So as you can see, Ellie Face is in the background. I'm trying to catch up on her videos. I'm almost done, so yeah. But I did get this flat iron from Target because the one that I use always smell like it's burning. I got this from Marshall's 2 weeks ago, I think. Like, it's cute and all. Like, I love the pink because pink is my favorite color, but the smell is just not it for me. So I got this one. Like, it's super cute and it's by Kristen S. I don't know who that is, but it's nice and thick, and I used it last night and I actually think it works better than the one that I have. And it also comes with this protective cap. I also picked up these Dove deodorant, and they smell so freaking good. And one is the actual deodorant case, and the other one is just a refill. And I have one already, but it's in a suitcase of mine. And also in the Leah Face vlog, I see her using these. And when I saw it at Target yesterday, I was saying to my sister, like, yo, that's the shit Aaliyah was talking about. So I picked up two. I think she got the green one. I don't quite remember, but I saw these two. This one says sensitive wipes, and it's for intimate parts, body and face. And it's plant-based. It has no dioxides and no parabens. And 30 come in each pack. So I'm excited to use these. I'm going to put these in my pocketbook right now. And I also picked up a memory card because I'm trying to roll these vlogs out for you guys, okay? So I got 128 gigabytes. And I got something for medicine. Okay. I picked up this Crocs looking shoes for Madison. Like, they're super cute. So yeah. And I also got measuring cups, because if you watch my last vlog with the French toast situation, they were telling me how much measurement of milk I should use, but I didn't have no cup, but now I do. So that's just a few things that I got from Target. Everything else is like not in the room. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fix up this makeup area, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. So I finally got done cleaning up this area. I picked up all the junk that was here. I packed away everything where it needed to go, so in here is nice and organized. And underneath here, I kind of fixed it up better than how it was. So I just have my contact lenses, just some few liquid lipstick that I don't really wear, my makeup wipes, these dirty ass blenders that I need to wash, and back there is my camera cut off, but like I was saying, back here I just have a few memory cards. This is my Jeffree Star mirror that I absolutely love. And underneath I have some hot tools like my flat iron, hot comb, etc. And I freaking love this thing. I got it off Amazon, so if you want the link, it'll be below. And this box right here is so crazy that it says warning, really good things inside, but baby, ain't nothing good about what's inside. It's just some dirty ass brushes that I need to wash. And I also got more right here, and I kind of wiped this off even though it's beat up right now. I want to get a new Vanity, but this thing is my bench, but it's also storage, so I just have a few hair things in here. Even on the top it's like beat up, but this is my setup. It's really nothing fancy, guys. So I got a new kettle from Target. It was $99, okay, $100. But when I said complicated, what is all of this? Like, why is all of this necessary? And I fucks with it because I'm like, I put it to boil like 10 minutes ago, but it automatically keeps warm for like 30 minutes. So yeah, it even came with a tea menu. Like, whose kettle you know come with a tea menu? I'll wait. Look at this little girl. She is so into her show. Like, what? Look at her. Let me leave her alone.
It's starting. Everyone's on their way to the fun
Okay, break my arm.